No Fish Nick here. It is April 5th, Friday. I am at the mouth of the Oconto River and checking it out. Looks like the bay's halfway open. There's icebergs all over. But you can definitely fish the mouth of the bay right now. Brought my kayak tonight, and I might fish here for a while, and I might move up to the Menominee River later after dark. We'll see. I also have the Peshco, so I'm doing a little exploring, but this definitely looks nice and fishable right here. And I've done well on Oconto in the past. Just trolling, or not even trolling, casting rattle baits. This is, man, I used to come here years ago and just pump rattle baits and catch a lot of nice walleye, so I might try that. I'll give her a whirl. Alright, I'm going to try her in the river for a little bit, and I might go out the mouth. So, here we go. Trying a rattler and ringworm. That's the first thing up. Okay, give you a little update. I did not catch anything at the mouth of Oconto. It was pretty dead. There's a lot of boats out there and that, and I didn't see anyone catch any. I did see a report that they were catching some, but anyway, I didn't. So, and I was using rattlers, and I trolled a crank, and so anyway, now I'm down here at the Menominee River, and I'm going to try my luck out of the Menominee River. I saw the major starts at midnight, so I still got an hour before the major starts, and I'm going to give her heck and go try to catch some big walleyes. Okay, we're all set to go out again. Hit my lights. Make sure they're working nice and bright. I got an extra battery if I burn them up. Alright, I've been got ringworm, little paddle tail. I think that's a mimic minnow paddle tail. And got my trolling rod. Gonna be using that little clown that I was using on the Fox River. So, alright, let's go fishing. I was trolling a paddle tail and a clown 13 ball floater. I'm in the current. Oh no, just got off, and it felt like it hit it too. It felt, oh man, everything about it felt right. Okay, well, first one was a miss. I trolled a long way and haven't got any bites, so they weren't where I was catching them a couple of years ago, but that was later in the spring. This is early spring. So anyway, all right, I just missed one. Just a line counter reel on a trolling rod. This is a graphite trolling rod, so I can feel the lure. I got a 6-foot piece of lead core, and then a 6-foot leader of fluorocarbon, and then my main line is just a 10-pound XT. So I'm gonna let out 70 feet of line, and I just slow pump it back, and that one grabbed it when I dropped back, and I pulled forward, and the fish was on. I did not mark this one, but anyway, I'm not too far from that last one. It's drifting down with the current now. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, nice walleye. I'm not going to net it. I'm just going to pull it in.
Okay. Cool. Give myself some slack. Easy boy. I'm gonna pop a hole in my dry suit. Had multiple hooks in that one. Okay, pretty small though. Catching this size in the Oconto River. Alright. This one is, oh, not too bad, 17 and a half. 17 and a half. There she goes. Probably a he. Caught one, lost one. Been a pretty slow day though. I thought I was gonna kill him tonight. You never know. Till you go. Got one going. 5 feet deep. I marked it. I'm going, might keep this one, call her tonight, because my pedal was falling out. So this is gonna be it. I'm gonna keep this one as my keeper and fix my pedal, and that'll be it. I'll be all done. Small one. Real small. Okay. But that one's gonna be tomorrow's lunch. $15 and a half incher. But like I said, I got some issues I gotta take care of, so actually screw it. I'm gonna let it go. No fish. I'm not gonna keep any fish tonight. There we go. Adios.
No Fish Nick here. Now it's Saturday. I did try to fix my pedal during the day here, but the bad thing about that pedal that came off, it's a metric, it's 15 millimeter, left hand threaded, so none of the local hardware shops around here had anything that was going to help me out. So I did the next best thing and just made a bush fix, basically a Yooper bush fix here. And that was to basically I used a bolt. Basically, just a bolt that was, I jammed it really tight on that side, put a fender washer on this side, and then we put a piece of pipe. My dad helped me out, and he had all this stuff around his garage, so worked out really good that he had this stuff available, and it'll work. My boot will ride on that outer bushing, and everything will work. It'll get me through the night until I can contact Native Watercraft and see if they can get me a new crank arm, and that way I can reinstall the pedal, because that's what happened. All the threads got pulled out of the crank arm. It's just aluminum. These are aluminum. So anyway, I was able to make it back to the boat landing okay with one pedal, but it sucked. This will be a lot better. It's been raining all day. I'm hoping, it's been raining outside. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I am hoping that the rain triggered some more walleyes to come up river. So it's nice wishful thinking, and we're gonna go find out if it happened.
Okay, that pedal system works. Could have even used a little longer bolt. It does touch my kayak a little right there too, but not bad. Cool. Okay, just started trolling. I I kind of vertical jigged downriver, and then I went trolling, and I've only been trolling for a short amount of time, and fish on. Clowny, 75 feet back behind me. First fish of the night. Oh yeah, nice walleye. Sweet. Get the net. Alright, it's in the net. Cool. It didn't take too long tonight. Last night I went through this area. I did not catch any fish in this area last night. And tonight, because I've done well in this area, I wanted to go through it no matter what. So maybe this rain helped. Alright, we gotta take care of them. Okay. That is just about 18 incher, and he is milting. He left some, he is milting a little bit, but 18 incher starting tonight. Like, hopefully I can catch him later when I'm ready to keep one for dinner. For now he gets to swim. Good job. The rain did help. This last night I came through this area and nothing going. Tonight, number 2 coming in. Okay, gotta get the net ready. Okay, there he is. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice walleye. Barely hooked. Okay. A little bigger than the last one. Not by much though. Okay. I'm not sure how long he was on. I wasn't paying attention, and all of a sudden I looked over and rod's thumping, and he wasn't pulling drag enough to put out the clicker, so it feels like a good one though. Staying down, that's a good sign. Oh yeah. Another nice one. I'll see if I can, I'm gonna try to release them with just the hemostats. Come here, buddy. Nope. He's hooked pretty good, actually. Alright, I'm gonna bring him in. Another sub 20 inch. Oh, probably 18, 19 inch male. Cool. How do you, okay, fish on. Doesn't feel it big. Oh, this got off. Yeah. Alright, that one got off. Okay, fish on. It's been quite a while since I caught one. I went upriver where I was getting them last night, and I had just that one on, and I worked it and worked it and worked it, and wasn't catching anything. So I came back downriver, and I was starting to get worried that I wasn't going to catch any more tonight. So I might keep this one, call her a night. So this might be the end of her. Nice 20-inch size, nice one. Don't lose it. Oh yeah, it's in the net. Nice. Probably the nicest one of the night. Cool. Now I'm only fishing one rod. It's just a lot easier for me to work one rod because I like to pump it. So I'm just using one trolling rod and just going along pumping it. trying to hold a 6-7 foot depth, throwing a brake line, and it's been working. Not lighting them on fire, but I'm catching fish, so I'm happy. And it's simple and it's nice and peaceful. I'm the only one here in this area anyway. A bunch of shore fishermen upriver. And I saw one boat up there. 2 boats, one left, one still out. Okay. Nice fish, and I'm not sure if it's male or female. It's got a belly on her, not a monster belly. Man, that's probably a female. I'm gonna let this one go and try to catch one more. All right, I don't want to catch a female, and that one I believe is. I don't want to keep a female when I was catching males earlier. There she goes. Okay, that was the first female of the day, I believe, and I let her go. So now I gotta try to catch another one. That little pedal deal has been working great. So my little Yooper bush fix has been working well. Okay, I'm just letting out 80 feet of line. I'm trolling this edge, and I'm giving it slow sweeps. I'm pedaling, trying to keep about 1 mile an hour. I'm going against the current. That seems to be working. I stopped pedaling for a second, and that little change in speed triggered this guy. Yeah, perfect eater. I want this one for dinner. That's what I was hoping for. Yep, a nice male. Alright, I'm glad I let that female go now, because no, that's probably an 18-inch male. It'd be perfect. Give my mom was asking for a walleye. That one is your walleye, mama. Alright, cool. I'm gonna wrap her up after this guy. I'll make a quick little pass through the same spot just to make sure there's not a whole bunch here. But oh no, I can't. If I keep this guy, I'm done. I can't fish anymore. So I guess I'm done because I'm keeping them. And that is the adventure for tonight. It was fun. My pedal worked. The weather was decent. There's a little breeze, but I'm bundled up like an Eskimo. And if I wear my Icemans, my Ice Kings, my feet don't get cold in my dry suit. So cool. All right, that's it for today. NFN out.